Are you looking for ways to make some money online? Well, you've come to the best place possible. I mean, who doesn't want to make $1,000 just to copy paste photos, right, on the internet? We do this during the pandemic, and we found a million ways to make money online from being able to work from home. And now we're going back to normal. We just don't want to continue working in the office anymore, waking up early and sitting in an office chair from 9 to 5. So this is super, super enjoyable and easy. I know you guys are so excited to just copy paste photos and make money from that. So if you want to know how to do that, then all you have to do is check out What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. This website that I'm going to be showing you today and talking about you today has already helped so many people from literally all around the globe, so take note of that. This is available from anyone from anywhere all over the world, and you can be making money on the daily. Okay, I'm going to be showing you very, very simple and easy steps to make some money online. It's very beginner friendly. Again, it's 100% free. You don't need any skills to be able to do this, and it's something long term, and I know you guys want to get right into it, so let's just do it. Our first website that we're going to talk about is called TemplateMonster.com. Now, this is a digital marketplace where you can buy and sell a ton of digital assets such as WordPress designs, Shopify designs, HTML or website design templates, and a lot more for free. Now, the website is viewed by 1.3 or over 1 million people per month, which is just a large number of people. So I think it's safe to assume that it's a very legit and popular website used by so many people. Now, it won't require you to buy anything from the Template Monster, but we'll have to work on here, and it's because there's 100% free software as well that I'm going to share with you later that is going to specifically pretty much do everything for you, this specific type of service, and it's frequently requested on the site because software does everything for you. Now, you don't really need the skills. Like I said, you're going to get paid on a site like this without any skills, without having any design talents, but because of the tool that I'm going to be showing you in a few minutes, you're going to get paid even if you don't have any skills or experience or expertise. Sounds amazing, right? You just have to make sure that you watch and really listen. So, how you're going to be making money on this website, you're going to be selling templates, resume templates, and I'm going to show you how individuals are making a lot of money by doing so to see the numbers for yourself, okay? I want you to comment below what country you reside in and what is your favorite or preferred payment method so that my next video will be more relevant to our subscribers. Let's keep going then. So for you to be able to see the numbers for yourself, you're going to click on all the products on the upper left part over here. You're going to put on your mouse over graphics, and then you're going to click on resume templates. So that's going to take you to this page where you're going to see that the guy over here is charging at least $15. He's at over 100 sales, 400 sales. Again, here another person charging this amount of money, having this amount of sales, amounting to $1,000 just by selling resume templates. As you can see, these are just two of the many examples that you can actually just look at for yourself if you want to. You can open up this website and just go through it on your own if you don't trust what I have to say, but just open up the website and look through here. Now, the thing is, these people selling their templates have made these sales, by putting so much hard work into their resume templates. But the thing is, we are going to be earning the same amount of money in a much shorter amount of time because you're not going to have to do any designing of yourself, which is obviously amazing. Okay, so just by selling these templates, you have not only increased your income potential, but you've also have no effort to put in anymore. So, once you've arrived at this website, okay, you're gonna click on the Start Selling button in the upper right corner on the next page, and then you're gonna select the author here because we won't be paying anyone. Then you can either enter in your email address and a password in these two boxes. So you can create an account below or join using maybe your Facebook or your Google account already, which is much faster and much easier. And then you're going to open a message from Template Monster that looks like this. You're going to click on confirm email to finish the process, and then you can finally log into your brand new account. And when you log in, they're going to ask you to add information to your public profile. If you click on the public profile tab, you're going to see that you're going to have to add a public name, a photo of yourself. Then you're going to select what country you're from, and that's pretty much it. And by the way, like I've mentioned, I just want to say it again, it is available worldwide if you missed that. Before we finished up, if you are having fun with today's video so far, then make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leave some suggestions down below. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now let's get back into the video. So here's what you need to do first. Okay, you're going to click on the products, then you're going to create a new product here. Then you're going to select a category that is relevant to us, which is the resume templates. Then you're going to click on next. And now that you've done that, it's time to show you the platform where you're going to have those resumes written for you so you can get a great pay. And the website that I mentioned at the very beginning of the video is actually called Krello.com. And basically it is a place where you can find a ton of different things like Instagram template posts using like thousands of different templates. And this website has a lot. They have Facebook, Instagram, and a lot more. But of course, for us, the most important one is resumes. So when you first arrive on the website, the first thing that you're going to do is sign up. You're going to create an account by clicking on the upper right page. And then you're going to fill all of the information. And as soon as you've done that, you're all registered. All you have to do now is type your resume into this box, and then you're going to press enter. Then this website, okay, will show you thousands of resume templates that you can actually charge, $15 to $25 each, and they're all done for you with virtually little work on your part. So you don't even need major talents, major skills for this, or major experience at all. All you have to do is pick any of these templates and maybe change them up a bit if you want them to look a little bit more cute, or maybe a little bit more you, or what it is. And then you're going to save it to your computer and you're going to download it, okay? And then after that, once you have it, you're going to go back to Template Monster. Then you're going to publish that resume template, and then you're going to earn money when people purchase this template of yours. You can download multiple templates from Krello.com, download as much as possible into your computer, going back to Template Monster, uploading and selling as much, charging how you wish, and making that amount of money and even more. It's that easy, that simple. It doesn't really even take much, and I know you guys can tell. So I know you're excited, so I know you want to start. And that is pretty much it, and I will see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.